Hey guys, it's Everything in One here.
Hi guys.
And Smiley David's with us.
Yeah.
And Ricegum just did a diss track on Jesse and Andy. And we just watched it. We just watched it right now and we were like burning. Like we burned. So
I was sweating.
yeah, we were like freaking sweating. And that's how good the roast was. So I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy.
Bro. So stop crying.
Just skip through this track.
No, I'm not gonna skip through it. Because Jesse and Andy roasted Ricegum. That's why.
I get it, yeah, you dissed me, yeah, you did it for the views.
Oh
And you
my
probably drop another one, 'cause
I
you
can't.
really too stiff. My career went to shit, I
Oh my
probably
god.
He didn't want this beef, he just did it for some food. Jesse had to get a rapper, couldn't do it by himself.
Okay.
I heard that you're
Oh
from
my
Philly, should be used to
god.
getting out. Tell me how you
Nobody could roast Ricegum. Nobody could roast Ricegum.
for some beef, you should be looking for your daughter. Because in the past years, your career is in a struggle. You
Oh
and
my
Andy hang out,
god.
share some beers, and then you cuddle. Been together so much, it appears that you are lovers. Yeah, you guys should
Oh
calm
my
down.
god.
Here you are a couple.
Even David's brothers, like, I think you hear him in the... Oh my god, man. Even David's brothers, David's brothers, like, freaking out. Yeah, Imperium VLL HD. And go check out his channel, too. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't. Oh my god. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the like button and go check out Smiley David's channel, Ricegum's channel, and my channel for sure. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, oh yeah, whatever. And peace, subscribe, and bye.